It's not easy always to get customers. So when you do, you've got to maximize the opportunity. I'm Sabastian Garsnett with Candle Business Pro. And in this video, I'm going to show you different ways that we capture the most value we can from each customer. One of the most successful ways that we increase the average order value is by offering a buy more, get more type of deal. So we generally will do this with either buy two, get one free, or buy three, get one free. And you can do this with candles. You can do this with your wax melts. You can do this with your room sprays, or you can do it with a combination. Generally, in fact, if you go to our website at the time of this recording, we have a buy three, get one free on our website. That will raise the average order up significantly based on if we weren't offering any deals at all. Because a lot of customers are in between that buying one and two candles. And when we offer the buy three, get one free, it generally will always go up to that. So that average order value is $78 instead of like that 50-ish level that we're generally at. So with that free item, we generally will do a candle. So you buy three full price candles, you're going to get one for free. But you don't have to do that. You can also do things such as buy two candles, get a free room spray. So with our room sprays, they cost us less than $3 to make. I think it's like $2.30 or something, very inexpensive to make. And we retail those for $16. So our margin on those are incredible as well. They certainly don't sell like our candles do. So we're not turning those over significantly. They're an easy item to, if someone's on the fence between one candle and two candles, so that's between, $26 and $52 of them spending with us. And we're going to offer them a free room spray. And then they are going to spend that extra $26. It's totally worth it for us. So that is one of the promotions that we will consistently run. So we'll usually rotate between those two. So buy three, get one free, full price candles or wax melts or room sprays all together. Or we will do the buy two items, get a free wax melt or get a free room spray when you're spending more on the initial items. The other way to do a buy more, save more is to do a buy one, save 10%. Buy two, save 20%, buy three, save 30%, buy four or more, save 40%, that type of deal. So this really works well during like Black Friday when people are buying a lot of items and they need to see that percent discount. 10, 15, 20%, that's not going to cut it for a Black Friday, Cyber Monday type of deal. You're not going to get a rush of sales of people going after that. You got to offer more than that. And so we always offer that opportunity to get up to 40% off. It seems like a lot, but in reality, that's still more money in our pocket than when we are wholesaling. We do a lot of wholesale too, and that's at 50% generally. So, we're getting 60% whenever we're giving 40% off. Still a good deal, and people are buying more. So I'd much rather do that than not get the sales at all. So you've got to be competitive when you're doing Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, and that's one way to do that. So another opportunity for you to increase your average sales is to offer the right accessories. So we offer USB lighters, which have a large margin for us. So we buy them and we have them branded. I don't have one with me here. We buy them and have them branded with our logo on them. And they cost $5.20 is what we get those landed. They do come from Alibaba online. They get shipped over here. We usually buy 200 of them at a time. The landed cost is $5.20. And then we sell those for $20 a piece. And those are the rechargeable stick lighters. They're fantastic. People love them. And we have them at the register, whether we're doing markets or in our store. You can also buy them just on our website as well. Another accessory that does really well for us is candle coasters. So what we do is we buy the coasters, not necessarily specific for candles, but those wool coasters that are like the balls that kind of are all like kind of glued together into a circle there. We can buy them on Fair in large quantities. You can even buy them on Amazon, and they come in packs of 4. We break those packs up and sell them individually for $6, and we sell a lot of those. So the price isn't crazy. If you buy the 4 packs at $24, that's actually what you'll buy those coasters for in stores if you were going to buy them as drink coasters. Most people aren't going to buy 4 of those at a time from you on your online store or at markets or in your store. So break those coasters up and sell them individually. And you'll obviously 4 of them at $6 a piece. So those do really well for us. The other thing that does well is wick trimmers. We still do pretty well with wick trimmers. Now we buy these online, overseas, Alibaba. We have them branded with our logos on them. So they're landed to us, but they come to like $1.75, $1.80 a piece for us. So these are really good accessories to sell. We sell them for $14. but they're also really good for just adding on hey, spend $100, get a free wick trimmer, things like that. We also reward a lot of our customers by giving them wick trimmers because it's such an inexpensive way to make your customers feel really good. At the end of the year, and I'll do a whole nother video on, we do a VIP program to get some of our VIPs to keep continuing to shop with us year after year. But having a wick trimmer to be able to give away to someone that's branded on there is really nice, and they value that. So they sell well. They don't sell nearly as well as candle coasters and USB lighters. Those are the ones that definitely do really well. But the wick trimmers are worth getting. Also, match boxes. The boxes of matches, and again, you can buy these on Fair for $1.50. I think you buy them in big packs, but it breaks down to about $1.50 a piece, and we sell those for $6 as well. So we're making good margins on them. They're the stick matches that they're different colors. They have really nice sayings on there. Again, on our website, you can see them, or if you're close by and you come to our store, you'll see those. And we do really well with selling a lot of those. So all these little incremental accessories adding on to your candle order really raises that average order value up there. So we're maximizing every dollar we can out of these customers. And it also makes you kind of a one-stop shop, right? Because if someone's buying just a candle for someone, they may want to, add something else to it. So if you have a greeting card or something like that, that's great. But I wouldn't go down the road of getting greeting cards. They're nice to have in our shop, but they don't sell a lot, and we have tons of them. So I'm definitely don't go down that road. But having accessories and other items that they can add on, especially if you have your Shopify store set up to where when someone's checking out, it's like, oh, do you also want to check out this? To add on at the end. It's fantastic for adding on. So what else? Free shipping. Free shipping is huge if you are doing online orders. In a world of Amazon, Macy's, the places that are offering the free shipping, you can't compete with that, and it's tough. And even myself, like as a consumer, when I go to a website and someone wants to charge me for shipping, I don't like it. But there is a certain threshold to where I just won't buy from that place. And so what we do in our stores, we offer $5 flat rate shipping up to $100. And if they spend $100, they get free shipping. So that means they buy one candle, one wax melt, 2, 3, they're going to spend $5 for shipping. So shipping that amount is probably going to cost us between $8 and $11, just depending on where in the US it's going. So they're at least giving us $5. So we're not eating too much shipping. And $5 is just a reasonable amount that people aren't going to think, oh, maybe I don't want to buy this. So we do $5 flat rate up to 100, and then it's free. And a lot of our orders get up to that 100. So that's one way to definitely maximize that. Charging someone actual cost of shipping is just really unrealistic these days. And lastly, have a bounce back coupon. Have a coupon that you give to your customer, whether you're selling in person, in a store, online, at markets, wherever you're selling, have a coupon that you give to that customer for them to come back within 2 weeks and save a certain amount. So we do a 20% coupon for them. Now, if they buy online, they're going to get that in the box that they receive, so they see that coupon in person. And then also, we're going to follow up with them in a few days and ask them for a review online. And we're also going to include a coupon for that as well, so that they will hopefully be incentivized to come back and buy from us right away. Again, I hope this video has been helpful for you. In the description below, I do have some free resources. There is a checklist of all the supplies and tools that we use in our shop. There's also information about our courses that we host. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care.